Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here, we have the Jayco Journey 1961-3 Outback. Let's go have a look. The most important thing, once you've leveled your caravan, is to put the 4 corner steadies down. Now, when I say 4 corner steadies, I mean that they are actually steadies. They're not a jack that you'd use to jack up your caravan. They're not rated for that. So the first thing we're going to do is pull the winder handle out of the tunnel boot. Once we've done that, we can then pull the lever on our jack and drop it down. Now, when your jack is down, make sure it's in the vertical position. There may be some sites that it is on an angle, but you're actually going to make your van a lot more stable when it's in the vertical position. Insert the lever and then wind, just until it's nice and firm. So when packing up your van and you need to lift the jacks back up, insert your winder handle, wind it back up until it doesn't go any further, pull out the winder handle, pull out the lever and lift it back up until it locks into place. And that's how we level our Jayco RV. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.